Hi, this is Palmer coming to you with another trading lesson from optionspreadtrades.com. Today we're going to be learning about the RSI, the relative strength indicator, and why it's probably one of the best indicators out there. Today, if you can see, this is most people use the RSI indicator on a 14 period, okay, but what we found is Larry Connors over at tradingmarkets.com did some research. He backtested this indicator for 10 years from 1996 to 2006. What he found is that a 14 period RSI gives you no statistically significant edge. Okay, so it's just like flipping a coin. It gives you no advantage. But with the 2-period RSI, what he finds is that that does give you a significant advantage if you use it correctly. Okay, so what he suggests, again, so we're using a 2-period RSI, not a 14-period RSI, and what he suggests is taking that 98 and above on the RSI means that the market is overbought. Okay, below 2 on the RSI means that the market is oversold. Okay, now because we don't just use the RSI in isolation, we use a few different indicators. We are a little bit more liberal with our usage of the RSI. So what we use is a 2-period RSI, and anything over 90 is overbought. Anything under 10 is oversold. Okay, so that's 90 is overbought, 10 is oversold. Okay, so just for ease, we're going to go, let's see. Okay, so here back on the November 5th, 2008, we got the RSI's over 90 right here. Okay, we get a sell signal at 9:56, and the markets drop all the way down to 896. Okay, so we went from 956 to 896, move about 50, what is it, 60 points in the S&P. That's $3,000. Okay, then we didn't hit high RSI here. We hit RSI at 95 here. Okay, we got a sell signal here at 872. The markets dropped all the way down to 812. Okay, and then we did not. Okay, we didn't hit over 90 here. We got the RSI's at 98 here. Okay, the markets. We got a sell signal over here on January 27th at 916. The markets fell all the way to a low of 799. Okay, that's 117 points. Okay, so that's, yeah, 117 points. So that's over $5,000 on the S&P on a single contract, on a mini contract. Okay, again, we have an RSI at 96. Okay, which is overbought. We got a sell signal at 831. The markets fell, bottomed out at 806. Okay, not as big a move, but still worth almost $1,500. Okay, then we got a RSI at 96. This is on, and then we got a sell signal on February 10th from 836. The market's currently trading at 852, so around 80 points. Okay, on the S&P. It's about $4,000. Alright, so the RSI, used in conjunction with a few other indicators, technical and fundamental indicators, can be a pretty useful tool in your arsenal. Again, I wouldn't use it in isolation. I use it in conjunction with several other tools, but I think it is probably one of the single best indicators out there if used correctly. Again, we're going to use a 2-period RSI, not a 14-period RSI. Over 90 is overbought, but we have to wait for the sell signal for confirmation. Under 10 is oversold. Again, we want to wait for the buy confirmation. Okay, this has been a lesson from optionspreadtrades.com. If you want to come visit us, get some more free lessons, We have some written lessons. We're going to be putting up video lessons. Please come join our free newsletter, and you get a free 9-part option spread trading course, and we do a free weekly forecast. And if you want to come join our paid service, we do have a 30-day free trial, and we're averaging about 7% a month right now, and right this month we did about 5%. So these are realistic. This is a realistic track record. We're not gonna make 40% one month and then lose 20% the next month. We're going to try to stay steady and consistent, and we have a track record to prove it. So please come visit us at www.optionspreadtrades.com. Thanks a lot for watching, and have a happy trading.